that was a huge red flag, is when you make promises to yourself or other people that, you can't keep, and you constantly break them. So that's definitely something to look out for. When I wanted to stop drinking, I would tell my friend, I'm only allowed to have one nip, and that's it, which, if you've ever had nips, which I hope not, that doesn't really do anything. So I would take that one nip, and I'd be like, come on, please, can I have one more? Just one more, and then another one, and then the sleeve would be gone, and then I'd be drunk, and it was this whole cycle where, I kept telling, I would have my friends, I'd be like, I can only have so much of this or so much of that, where it didn't really work out because I would start off and it just wasn't enough for me. So I definitely knew that if I was left alone to have as much alcohol as I wanted, that I would not be able to control myself. So I would have, my friends that were also drinking at the time, I would make them set boundaries for me, and they were in charge of stopping me. But I think that when they were, drinking or smoking themselves, it wasn't really, the best people to ask for that kind of help. So if you go to a restaurant and you're telling, someone in the family, hey, I'm only allowed to get one drink tonight, and then you end up ordering 2 or 3, etc., then, there's a problem. If you can't control yourself, then there's definitely some sort of issue going on. I made many promises, and the same goes for drinking, that I would quit, that I would stop, and I'd never follow through with those promises.